In the news, Mahdia businessman donates refrigerator to ranks at Mango Landing Police Outpost. Mahdia businessman Mr. Roger Hines has donated a refrigerator to ranks of Mango Landing Police Outpost in Regional Division 8. Commander Khalid Mandel, Superintendent Taylor, Inspector John, Inspector Knoll, Sergeant Blackman, Sergeant Clark, Sergeant Paul, Corporal Edward, Woman Corporal Daniels, and Lance Corporal Singh were on hand to receive the donation. Commander Mandel thanked Mr. Hines for his contribution and support to improving the welfare of ranks.